Classification of matter. There are two main ways to classify matter. There are according to its physical state as gas, liquid or solid, and according to its composition as an element, compound or mixture. State of matter. Solids are rigid because their particles have very low kinetic energy, so they have fixed shapes and volumes. In contrast, liquids have fixed volumes but float to assume the shape of their containers since their particles are looser than those of a solid and can flow around each other. Gases have no fixed shapes or fixed volumes, and they expand to completely fill their containers because their particles have a large amount of space between them and have high kinetic energy. A pure substance is a form of matter that has a constant composition with uniform properties. For example, pure water, regardless of its source, consists of 11% hydrogen and 89% oxygen biomass. Pure substance can be divided into two classes: elements that cannot be broken down into simpler substances and compounds that can break down into two or more elements. Example: water that is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Most of the matter we know consists of mixtures of different substances. Each substance in a mixture retains its own identity and chemical properties. The composition of a mixture can vary. They are divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous. A homogeneous mixture, also called a solution, exhibits a uniform composition and appears visually the same throughout. Example: water with salt. A mixture with a composition that varies from point to point is called a heterogeneous mixture. Example: water and oil.